If you find date-related calculation inside the Power Query as a hard work, don't miss this video. Today we are going to discover some amazing function to calculate over the dates. This is related to challenge number 134, posted on my LinkedIn. I put the link to this challenge behind this video. You can go there and find a wide range of solutions presented by Excel Nerd, Power Query Nerd, DAX Nerd, and other amazing software. In this challenge, we are going to discover transaction happen in the last week of each month. So we need to extract the last date of each month, then calculate 7 days before that and extract the transaction happen on that date. Don't miss this video. Select this column, go to add column, and from date select month, end of month. It results in end of month for each date. See, date.end of month is a function that you can use to extract the last date for each month. As we are searching for the transaction happen in the last week of each month, actually the last 7 days of each month, in the next step we need to extract 7 days before the last date of each month. So add a custom column and say this date, which is end of month, minus duration 7000, and press OK. This is resulting 7 days before the last date of each month. So by modifying this formula and saying this date greater than result of this formula, we can determine the transaction happen in the last 7 days of each month. Let's press OK and select true. This is the 3 transaction happen in the last 7 days of each month. Instead of using these helper columns, we can solve this problem just in one step. So let's neglect these steps and say select dates, for example, equal to these dates, and press OK. It's resulting something like this. But instead of using equal, let's say greater than and date dot end of month date duration of 1000. It means that filter the dates which greater than end of month minus 7 days. Yeah, see the closest parentheses, yeah, and press OK. It's going to solve the problem just in one step. But instead of using this formula, there are a wide range of other functions that you can use. Let's check in the proposed solution. So Zuran use another amazing function, which is duration.from. Come back to the previous example. Instead of using duration here, you can use duration from 7 and press enter. It's resulting the same as the duration. On the other hand, Abdullah used another amazing function, date.addDays, and calculated 7 days before end of month. So to use this formula, you can go here, go to the source and convert this column to type date, and back here and say instead of using duration.from, let's use -7 here and use date.addDays. It's resulting, I forget to add a comma here, and see the result. It's going to provide the same result. Ramiro solved this problem with using another logic. See, he's used date.days, and then you can use it simple operation over the result. In this solution, let's duplicate it. To check his solution, let's add a custom column and say date.day, date.end of month, over this date. So it results in 31, means that this month include 31 days. This is result in 13, which means that this row include 13 days. Then we can calculate these minus 7. So if the days number of this row would be greater than 24, we can filter it. So you can write it like this: greater than date dot day over the date column, and press OK. It provides true for the rows that you can filter it. Let's select that and press OK. Instead of using this combination, date.days and days end of months, you can use another amazing function. You can use date.in months. Date.days in months over this column, it calculated the number of days for that month, and press OK. It results in the same.